Hey everyone, I'm your host, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll explore how certain spices can play a crucial role in DNA repair and cancer prevention. Let's dive into the science and benefits of these incredible spices. Our modern lifestyle exposes us to numerous factors that can damage our DNA, such as pollution, unhealthy diets, and stress. Damaged DNA can lead to various health issues, including cancer. While medical treatments are essential, incorporating natural elements like spices into our diet can provide additional protection and support. Spices have been used for centuries, not just for flavor, but for their medicinal properties. Recent research has highlighted their potential in DNA repair and cancer prevention. Here are the top spices that are known for their powerful health benefits. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies have shown that curcumin can help repair damaged DNA and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Ginger. Ginger is another powerhouse spice that contains gingerol. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that help protect your DNA and reduce the risk of cancer. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants like cinnamaldehyde, which help protect cells from oxidative damage and promote DNA repair. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that have been shown to boost the immune system and have anti-cancer properties. It helps in repairing DNA and preventing the mutation of healthy cells. Black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, which enhances the absorption of other nutrients, including curcumin from turmeric. It also has its own anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Incorporating these spices into your daily diet can be simple and delicious. Remember, the key to good health is a balanced diet rich in natural, nutrient-dense foods. These spices are a powerful addition to your diet for their potential in DNA repair and cancer prevention. Try incorporating these spices into your meals and see the difference for yourself. Comment below with your favorite recipes using these spices. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy and take care. Thanks for watching. Click here to subscribe and check out these other videos for more health tips.